viewers, I'm Aulia Mandaya. Today on Wednesday, 21st January 2021, happy gathering with us in Mozaman program, which will provide you to the real news which is taken factually and actually. I will accompany you about 5 minutes with any kind of information. Well, let's begin the news today. Viewers, COVID-19 cases in Indonesia have been increasing. The data from the official government website, COVID-19.co.id, showed that the highest rate of increasing COVID-19 cases occur in some areas in Java and Bali. To deal with it, Indonesia government took serious action to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Coordinating Minister of Economy Airlangga Hartarto said that PSBB would be needed in several regions in Java and Bali that were considered to have the highest rate of increasing COVID-19 cases. The implementation of PSBB and PPKM have been implementing start from 11 January to 25 January in several regions in Java and Bali. Various parties have made various efforts to reduce the rate of adding new COVID-19 cases. In addition to the PSBB and PPKM policies, the effort to prevent the spread of the coronavirus were also carried out in the education sector. The contribution of the education field is not only to help to stop the virus, but also to help educate children related to what coronavirus is and how to prevent it. Like what had been done in a junior high school in Cilacap, the school together with the health center nearby gives education related to the pandemic and coronavirus. 300 students of SMP Muhammadiyah 2 Cilacap, Central Java, are listening to education related to the coronavirus and how to prevent it. It was delivered by the health center. They showed the procedures for wearing masks and attitude when coughing. The students could immediately practice the methods. The principal of SMP Muhammadiyah 2 Cilacap said that they need education for our children to learn to know what coronavirus actually is and how to prevent it. Then they need to involve it by asking for help from the expert, in this case, Puskesmas Cilacap Utara 2. It is hoped that by providing this education, the students can apply it in their daily lives. Although it still raises pros and cons related to the online learning, the government has made it as an effort to reduce the increasing of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia. Aina Naim, Secretary General of the Ministry of Education and Culture, said that the current pandemic conditions forced learning to be carried out through online learning by implementing the policy of emergency curriculum. Considering the central government's policy regarding the online learning, several local governments also announced the same policy. One of those who has applied it is Indramayu Regency. Haji Kadidin SPD MSI, the head of the Indramayu Regency Education Office, informed about the implementation of online learning. The reason of the Indramayu local government still applied it is because the increasing of COVID-19 cases there is still quite high. He also conveyed a message to parents to support the decision for the safety of teachers and all components of education. And that was the news for this morning. Follow the next update in Mozamin News. I'm Aulia Mandaya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.